during the first week of Ramadan. In the middle of a very crowded city, I asked a boarding student who felt the first time fasting away from my parents was very difficult for me because anything always priorities mom. But at the boarding house, I didn't feel lonely because I lived with my older sister, so during Ramadan she took over my mother's role. At the beginning of the week, as the clock stagnant, theirs and hunger become stronger. However, with high spirit and support from my sister, the first day of fasting in Ramadan went smoothly. Sahur was heavily made for me by Tarawih prayers that were crowded and full of togetherness. In the first day, the activities I did were the same, starting from morning prayers in congregation with boarding house friends doing exam given by lecture and going to campus to enter Indonesia language course. After a while hours, the Indonesia language course was over. My daughter and returned to the boarding house to sleep because it felt really tired. After sleeping, my daughter and continued the Australian history course with I was to via Zoom at 1:30 with today and triple text noting that I mentioned. Maybe that's all my activities during first weekend of fasting. I feel far from their parents. I feel sad next to activities for the second week of Ramadan. Entering the second week of Ramadan, my sister and I stayed at my aunt's house where there were several people living. My sister and I were very happy there because during 1 week of fasting we were alone, and in the second week of fasting we stayed with my aunt. The second week of sahur, my brother and were woke up by me aunt and Tylee was always to get ready to eat sahur food cooked by my aunt. Sahur was finished and until imsak time, my sister and along with my auntie go ready for morning prayers. The morning prayers were over the tree of views walk around the housing complex there. On the 21st of March, I was with Ira, Jesse, Andini, and Anggun entering a meeting after Tarawih prayer where we entered a meeting about preparation for the election of the BEM president with the Faculty of Equity and Marine Science and the Faculty of Social Science. The meeting discussed what advance to the first position for the BEM president rather. It was already late at night. I and my dear friend went back to the boarding house, but Ira and Jessie invited me to help Jessie pack things in the boarding house because Jessie went to move. Activities for the third week of Ramadan. In the third week of Ramadan, my brother and I returned to the boarding house because on Tuesday of this third week, my sister had waiting for her disease. My sister and I arrived late afternoon from my aunt's house to break the first letter. My brother and I went to the front of the campus to buy takjil. Along the way, found a wallet and the wallet turned out to belong to my friend. So I'm immediately content the owner of the wallet. The night came, we got ready to go to Tarawih prayer. Tarawih prayer was finished. Ainur and Adiwia promised to go to a friend Perum to gather a meeting of the Forum Biau Buol district. In the meeting, there were many decisions and at the same time discussed breaking the fast together later. On the evening of the 25th of March, my friend and I went to the Tulip Cafe to make a letter to submit a proposal for the Ajang Sana activity. There with the General Chairman of the Department Association and the Secretary of the Department Association, my friend and I were told that making the letter was like this, and we discussed how the next activity will be. And in the end, the Ajang Sana activity to open with the hand children were determined on the 31st of March. The 31st of March, Arif and I, along with Ira, Jessie, Nana, Dinda, and Tika, went to the gathering point to assist in the Ajang Sana activity. For week of Ramadan activity. During the 4th week of Ramadan, my sister and I are still staying over. Our daily life before returning to the village was as usual, breaking the fast and tarawih with friends. On the 3rd of April, someone took on the door at 10, and it turned out to be my mother. My mother came from Buol to Gorontalo without all knowledge, and it turned out that my brother had a need to come here for today. In our, my sister and I were very happy that my mother came here because someone woke us up for so. Because like the 3 days we woke up alone. Today before returning to the village, my brother and sister invited my mother to take a walk to the youth cat fight because there was a lot of culinary while my mother hobby is culinary. After returning from the street cat, we stopped at clothing figure to buy a lot for the holiday. The next day, my mother and I returned to the village, and my sister still stayed here. She will return 2 days before it. Arriving at the village, my mother and I took a short break because we were still drunk from the trip. In the afternoon, my sister and I went to see the atmosphere of the village. There were a lot of people selling takjil on the side of the road, and my sister stood by to buy takjil in preparation for baking the facility. On the night of the 9th, my mother and I got ready to clean the house and cook because tomorrow was it Fitr.